Come on down, Bobby. Have your bath. Have your bath. Oh, now he's going. Oh, what's he doing now? No, he's coming. What's he doing over there? God, now he's on top of his cage. Bobby, come on. Come on down. Look. You can do the Mission Impossible. It's 32 degrees right now. He's doing the Mission Impossible. Have your bath. So eat my statue, whatever. Bobby, I was hoping you were just gonna have a bath, but you're eating that statue again. I don't get it. And then you got your millet up here. Look. You got millet at the top of your stairs there. Yeah. Don't you see your millet? Bobby, you're gonna be 9. In human years, that's about 18. You're gonna be an adult. Yeah. Well, I don't know. In 1 month, you're gonna be an adult. You're gonna be 18 in human years. That's 9 in bird years. What are you doing? Well, you know what? I feel really sorry for you being caged up for most of your life, but you have a nice cage. But you know what? At least you don't have to worry about predators. I have to worry about predators. Yeah. There's many different kinds of creatures in the world. I just saw a hedgehog yesterday. I don't even know what they are. I don't know. Here's another creature over there. But, no, this is a great neighborhood here. And I want you to be kind to Sharon. Be kind to Sharon. Okay? You're kind to me when you're in the mood. I don't know. It's a journey. Like, it is not the destination, it's the journey, isn't it?